Chairman of Council is here already, Professor C.P. Amaliko, Professor the Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Tertiary Education, Science and Technology, Solid Minerals and Energy, Person of the Barrister, is here already. The Director is here. Dr. Abdullah Kassim Bakar, getting ready for the big job. And the registrar is here. Dr. Samuel Nana, that's correct. And the student affairs, Mr. Dedicated to Samuel, the Honorable Commissioner will be here, and we will start. Once again, we appreciate our guests who have entered and waiting for the start of the meeting. You are welcome. We appreciate the fan of the control panel, the ICT, the Barrister Lotana is doing what he does our best to do. Like I said before, the way to go now is virtual meeting. One of the advantages of